do you mean? They're not good songs, but they're actual songs.
Thank you, Gavin. I think that's feedback.
Better than what Zach could probably produce.
Are you chasing Zach right now, Jared?
No, I think he's chasing you.
My
No, you're
controller
staying
turned
still.
off.
That's why I was asking him.
Oh,
Oh my
shit.
god. His controller turned off, so.
The circle's still me. The next circle's also gonna be me. Jared,
Do you know what I'm sitting on? Okay. Good question.
Probably wants out.
What do I do?
It's my poppers, yeah. 13, 14? 14
Go,
weeks
go,
now?
go, go, go.
Come here, Zachary!
You can do this!
Come here, Space Marine! He said that to me.
I escaped.
So, Gramps.
Wouldn't that be a cool DLC
What's that?
What?
if the grandpa said that?
Why would that
Yeah.
why would that be a DLC?
I don't know. Maybe that's just, I don't know. Maybe people are just DLC. I don't know.
Trying not to leave Jared because he's already mad at Brandon for abandoning him. So
Wait, what did I do?
Cheers.
Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. I opened it up. Shit.
How's it going, Brandon? How's it going?
Alright, I just want you to know, usually when you see the yellow thing around you, you probably want to be a little bit more aware of your surroundings.
God damn it, why'd you lock everything on me, you dick?
Ah, shit. You're behind me. No, 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 no.
Oh, I can't get to that? Okay.
Fuck you.
Thank you, God. I think I lost them.
Did you just...
Don't mind me, just doing my duty.
I'm at the big building. I'm hiding in the big building. If you guys want to come get me for content.
Okay, good. Wait, oh, I didn't want to trigger it just yet. God damn it. I'm out of here. I can't believe I would ditch everybody else.
Fuck.
Alright, Brandon, go. Yeah, go through there. Okay, go. Go through, yeah, go through there. Left. Turn around, you idiot. Oh my gosh, go through there. Go down. Lose him first, actually. Good. He's right, he sees you. How stupid are you, Brandon?
Don't have to bring it like that.
He deserves, because he's not, he's playing like a retard.
Brian could do
Go! Oh my gosh, Randall. Run! Keep going. Oh, why would you run into him? Oh,
Ah,
go through there. Heal. You can heal.
Where'd it go?
Go down into the basement. Actually, no. Go that way. Go over there. Straight. Go straight! He sees you! Go straight!
Okay.
I'm glad he's doing this shit.
Go! No! Turn around!
This is how it feels teaching
Where are
Brandon
you
or Zach to do
going?
Yeah, I know. I think it's funny that he's still like this no matter what.
Oh my gosh, go that way, go that way. Go right. Go straight. Now climb up there. He knows where you are, Brandon.
Hey, can you guide me to him, Zachary?
Yeah.
Zach's just like, kill me.
Go straight. Watch out for Grandpa.
Oh, okay. You're a liar.
He's in the thing.
Don't go in there.
Now he has to follow you. You just left. He's behind you now.
Brandon, come on.
Oh, Brandon stresses me out.
Follow me. Like this, I'm out of here, Brandon.
Okay, go to the water spot. Oh no.
Shit.
Stay quiet.
Why are you chasing me? Gavin's behind me.
Don't rat him out, you asshole!
Don't
I
grab
literally
him
saw
out.
Gavin too.
Why are you chasing me?
You have ability,
right.
press RB. Brandon, press, what does that do? I don't know what that does. I don't know what that does, to be honest with
Oh yeah, grab me.
you. No one ratted you out, what are you talking about? Oh my goodness. I tried helping you, Brandon. How did you get out? Ooh! He electrocuted himself!
Wait, what?
He was electrocuted himself!
Who?
Jared did! He fell over!
Gosh.
Didn't you hear me literally say, screw this, I'm leaving you, Brandon, when you found him?
Yeah, he's gone.
Yeah,
I
they-
jetted the moment I saw you catch him.
Appreciate you